Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your trusted destination for premium car insights, reviews, and automotive content. On this channel, we bring you detailed looks at the most stylish and performance-driven vehicles in the market today. In this video, we turn our attention to the Skoda Slavia, a sedan that has quickly become a favorite in the compact premium segment due to its elegant design, strong performance, and smart technology package. The Skoda Slavia is a car that stands out with its European styling, bold stance, and sharp lines that give it a confident and modern appeal. Built on the MQB-A0iN platform, the Slavia shares its underpinnings with other Volkswagen Group models, ensuring a solid build quality and excellent road manners. From the front, the wide signature grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sculpted bumper create an assertive look, while the strong shoulder lines and stylish alloy wheels add character to its profile. The rear design is neat and balanced, with split tail lamps and subtle chrome accents enhancing the premium feel. Step inside the Slavia and you are welcomed by a cabin that blends simplicity with sophistication. The dashboard layout is clean and well-structured, featuring a two-tone color scheme and quality materials throughout. The large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, offering seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, providing clear and customizable driver information. The Slavia offers ample space for all occupants, with segment-leading rear seat legroom and a spacious 521-liter boot that is ideal for long journeys or everyday practicality. In terms of performance, the Skoda Slavia offers two turbo petrol engine options. The 1.0-liter TSI engine delivers 115 horsepower and is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. This engine is refined and efficient, making it suitable for city driving and highway cruising alike. For those looking for more spirited performance, the 1.5-liter TSI engine produces 150 horsepower and is offered with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic. This engine offers a more engaging driving experience with stronger acceleration and smooth gear shifts, especially in the DSG variant. The driving dynamics of the Slavia are tuned to provide a balance between comfort and handling. The suspension setup absorbs road imperfections well, while the steering is light yet responsive, making it easy to maneuver in urban traffic and stable at higher speeds. The car also comes equipped with safety features such as 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, hill hold control, and a strong body structure, all contributing to a high level of occupant safety. When it comes to features, the Slavia is well equipped across its variants. Apart from the large touchscreen and digital cockpit, it offers ventilated front seats, a sunroof, automatic climate control, wireless charging, rear AC vents, and a premium sound system. These features enhance the overall comfort and convenience, giving the Slavia an edge in the competitive sedan segment. Overall, the Skoda Slavia is a compelling package that blends style, space, performance, and technology in a way that few rivals can match. It carries forward Skoda's tradition of engineering excellence while offering value for money and premium appeal. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend traveler, or someone who simply enjoys driving a well-built car, the Slavia is a great choice to consider in today's market. Thank you for watching this detailed review on SNAutoLuxury. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, reviews, and features, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.